Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylor and I'm so happy to have you here. I'm super excited for today's video because I have a new piece of furniture that I thrifted and I want to utilize it for the new homeschool year. Make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button and also turn the notification bell on so you never miss out on a new video. Now let's get at it and get it done. So this is how I have the room set up. So this whole side is dedicated to my office, and then from here all the way to here is dedicated to homeschool. And I am gonna leave it that way for now just because I'm planning a whole room makeover where I paint the walls and all of that, and I wanna get another desk, get rid of this one. So I'm gonna leave it like this for now. But I just kind of figured I would show y'all that. And I do have a new piece. Well, I say it's a new piece. Y'all know me, y'all know I love to shop secondhand. I got it off of Marketplace, so it's gonna go here and replace this bookshelf. But this is how it's set up, and I'm thinking of getting rid of the what's this called, dry erase board, because I figured we would use it a lot last year for school, but we didn't. So I think I'm gonna take that down, and I may even take the posters down. But that is how it's set up. And this is an air purifier. It's supposed to go in the living room, but I've got it in here right now. I've been dealing with a lot of allergies, so just have it in here for now while I'm in here. But this is how it is. I'm so excited to show y'all. I love this. I love this type of wood. Y'all know I love the IKEA stuff, and I love this kind of wood. I don't know, I mean, I think it's like unfinished wood, but I'm not sure. I don't know if it's like pine or what it is, but I love this color of wood, and I just figured this would be really good for the homeschool room. I do want to get the baskets that go in this. I think they're called like the IKEA Brannis baskets, but they're like $25 a piece, and I cannot do that right now, so I'm just gonna have to make it work, but this is it.
Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Try to express yourself. yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am. And I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, do what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, do what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me, everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me, I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me, everything feels like oh yeah. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me, everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me, I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me, everything feels like oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me, everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me, I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me, everything feels like oh yeah. Ooh.
touch, oh, I belong to you. I hope we keep the light to shine. If there's a fire growing strong, I hope we leave the night behind to see the morning come. I hope we keep the light to shine. If there's a fire growing strong, I hope we leave the night behind to see the morning come.
I always use a pencil to make marks on the walls whenever I put things up, so to remove those marks I'm going to be using an eraser and some cleaning wipes. You can also use a magic eraser to remove the pencil marks, but I'm going to be painting this room eventually, so I was okay with just using a plain eraser. So even though this technically wasn't a declutter video, I was able to get rid of all of this stuff, and I will be able to get rid of more stuff, you know, once I can really go through everything and get his new curriculum set up and everything. But for now, this is everything that I was able to get rid of. And I feel like just having the stuff off of the walls, it just feels so much less cluttered in here, and I feel like the room is more opened up. So I figured to add some decor into the homeschool and office room, I would pick some sunflowers from my dad's garden, and these things have grown so much. If y'all remember my my dad's garden tour video, like they were just little tiny baby little plants, and now they are just huge. These things are so pretty and they are so tall, and I don't know if I've ever told y'all this before, but sunflowers are my favorite flower. So this is what the piece looks like with all of the school stuff on it, and I think it looks so much better. I like not having the bookshelf over here, and I'm also enjoying not having the posters and stuff on the wall. I feel like it looks so much less cluttered, but I absolutely love this, and I can't wait to get the rest of this room finished. This room is far from finished. I still want to paint and do everything, but I think it looks so much better. I just love this piece so much. So let me know what y'all think. Alrighty y'all, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me. I hope this video motivates you to get at it and get it done. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and also leave a comment so I can say hello. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all!